Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix account is currently suspended on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you try to log in your account and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all, you have to close this page. So let me close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser, or you can also open the TikTok app. So guys, if you have other account, try to log in that account and you can easily contact with the TikTok team. Okay guys, if you don't have, then you can also do that by tapping on the TikTok. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on the profile, and maybe you can see here the login page, but I don't see here guys. So let me show you here guys. When you open TikTok, maybe you can see this type of interface. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on this question mark icon, and from here guys, you can easily see here suspended account option. Just simply have to tap on that. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some second, and you can easily see here suspended account. Tap on that. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on tag to check if your account has been suspended. Okay guys, if your account is suspended, tap on that. From here guys, you can easily see the form and you can easily contact with them, and you can easily unlock your account, or you can easily see here is showing account active. So guys, if your account is suspended, then you can see here your account is suspended, and you can easily see here submit your appeal. Just simply have to tap on that, and after that you have to write, hello TikTok team, my account is suspended, so please reactivate my account. And after that, hopefully your account will be activated. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.